Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best plug-in water heater is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked appliances in modern homes, especially for those living in apartments, dorm rooms, or seeking a supplementary hot water solution for specific tasks like washing dishes or filling a small tub. Imagine never having to wait for your main water heater to catch up or dealing with the inconvenience of lukewarm water when you need it most. These compact powerhouses offer instant hot water precisely where and when you need it, providing unparalleled convenience and efficiency for a variety of everyday needs. Number 5. CHEFMAN 1.2L Glass Electric Kettle. Enjoy hot beverages in minutes. This kettle boils water quickly, perfect for your morning coffee or evening tea. See the heating process at a glance. Blue LED lights indicate when it's warming up and turn off once boiling is complete. Brew your favorite loose-leaf teas with ease. The included infuser allows you to steep a full pot for multiple servings. Serve your guests anywhere with this portable design. The kettle lifts off its base, allowing for easy serving away from the plug. Experience comfortable handling and mess-free pouring. The 360-degree swivel base ensures it's always in the perfect position for you. Refilling and cleaning are a breeze. The lid removes completely, giving you ample space for water and easy access for washing. Boil with confidence thanks to automatic safety features. It shuts off when boiling is complete or if it runs out of water. What we like? If you're a tea lover who enjoys loose-leaf varieties, this is the perfect choice. Its integrated infuser allows for easy steeping, and the fast boiling feature means less waiting time for your perfect cup. The LED lights also add a nice visual cue. What people say? The water heater is very easy to install and use. It heats up water quickly and efficiently. The compact design makes it suitable for small spaces. Number 4. ThermoMate Mini Tank Water Heater Electric ES700. Tired of waiting for hot water? This compact unit provides it instantly, right where you need it. Its high thermal efficiency means less wasted energy and faster recovery. Installation is a breeze with its compact design. You can mount it on the wall or place it on the floor, fitting perfectly under your sink or counter. Just plug it into a standard 120V outlet. You have full control over the water temperature, with settings ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. It also includes high temperature limit protection and a freeze mode for added safety. Built with a glass-lined tank for superior insulation, this unit is designed for durability. It comes with a temperature and pressure relief valve and is UL listed for your peace of mind. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful performance. It efficiently heats water for point-of-use needs, ensuring you always have hot water on demand. This water heater is built to last, featuring premium quality materials and construction. It's backed by a solid warranty and dedicated customer service for long-term reliability. What we like? For those who need hot water immediately at a specific point of use, like under a sink, this is an excellent option. Its compact design makes installation a breeze, and the adjustable temperature control ensures you get the water just right for your needs. What people say? The water heater heats up quickly and provides a consistent temperature. Installation was straightforward, and the unit is compact and doesn't take up much space. The digital display is easy to read and allows for precise temperature control. Number 3. CAMPLUX AY132BP43 Portable Propane Water Heater Kit. Stop searching for parts. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a real outdoor shower, even without a tap. It features a reliable portable water heater and a powerful 12V water pump system, making it the easiest portable shower solution available. Perfect for off-grid adventures. The included 12V pump allows you to draw water directly from a lake, a bucket, or your RV tank. You no longer need a pressurized campsite hookup to enjoy a hot shower. We've solved the power problem. The pump kit includes extra-long power cables, giving you the flexibility to power the system from your car's cigarette lighter or battery bank, even if parked far from your shower spot. Get your shower station running in about 10 minutes with quick connect fittings. The kit also includes extension hoses, giving you more freedom to place your shower tent exactly where you want it. Nothing beats a hot shower after a long day outdoors. This complete kit lets you set up a private campsite shower right by your truck or RV, wash off the day's grime comfortably before relaxing. It's not just for showers. Hot water makes cleaning much easier. Use this portable system to quickly cut through grease, hose down muddy gear, or give your pet a warm bath outdoors. It's the ultimate multi-use tool for camp life. What we like. If you frequently camp or enjoy off-grid adventures, this is your ultimate shower solution. It comes as a complete kit, allowing you to draw water from lakes or tanks, providing hot showers even in the most remote locations. It's also great for outdoor cleaning tasks. What people say. The water heater heats up quickly and provides a consistent stream of hot water. Installation was straightforward, and the unit is compact enough to fit in a small space. The temperature control is precise, allowing for easy adjustment to the desired level. Number 2. Bosch Tronic 3000T 2.5 gallon electric mini tank water heater. Tired of waiting for hot water? This compact electric mini tank provides hot water right where you need it, eliminating those frustrating delays. Its 2.5 gallon capacity fits conveniently under your sink, delivering hot water with 98% thermal efficiency. Installation is simple, just plug it into a standard 120-volt outlet. Constructed with premium glass-lined material, this water heater is designed for a long service life and requires minimal maintenance. Mounted on a shelf, wall, or floor with the included bracket. It easily connects to your cold water line, providing hot water directly at your sink. Enjoy hot water on demand, even for up to 2 sinks simultaneously. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to convenience. This unit offers a fast recovery rate, ensuring you have hot water whenever you need it. It's an efficient and reliable solution for your home. What we like. If you're tired of waiting for hot water at your sink, this mini tank heater is the answer. Its compact size allows for easy installation under the sink, providing instant hot water for hand washing or dishes. It's ideal for smaller households or specific needs. What people say. The water heater is very easy to install and use. It heats up water quickly and efficiently. The compact design is perfect for small spaces. Number 1. Bosch Tronic 3000T 7 gallon electric mini tank water heater. Tired of waiting for hot water? This compact electric water heater provides hot water right where you need it, eliminating those long waits. Its high thermal efficiency ensures you get hot water quickly and reliably. This versatile unit can be installed either vertically or horizontally, offering flexibility to fit your space. It's designed to be conveniently placed under your sink or on a shelf. Easily connect it to your home or office's cold water line for a dependable source of on-demand hot water. It's the perfect solution for consistent hot water supply. With a heating capacity of 1440 watts, it quickly heats water to your desired temperature, adjustable between 65 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. It operates efficiently under pressure, ensuring consistent performance. Mounting is a breeze, whether on a shelf, floor, or wall, in vertical orientation. The included bracket makes installation straightforward, so you can enjoy hot water in no time. Its 7 gallon capacity fits neatly under your sink, providing a point-of-view solution without taking up much space. Enjoy the convenience of hot water exactly when you need it. What we like. For a more substantial hot water solution under your sink, this larger capacity mini tank is ideal. It offers more hot water on demand and can be mounted in various ways to fit your space. If you need a reliable, continuous supply for a busy sink, consider this. What people say. The water heater is very easy to install and use. It heats up water quickly and efficiently. The compact design saves space and is aesthetically pleasing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.